we are getting the results. But it is mentioned to deploy it in the LDS app, right? So that part I'm a little confused.
Which one you're talking about here?
Sorry, come again. Your voice got broken.
17.
16 and
Which
17.
one you're
Yes.
talking about?
Not sure. It's only to me. Your voice is breaking, Ranjit.
16 and 17. No, this is to create a record.
Create a record, okay. Even I created the record only. For 17, I created the record. But if we can't deploy that in the LDS, right? It can be deployed only in the case object, right? Or the relevant case only we can deploy, right? Hello, am I audible? Not sure whether my network or Ranjit network. Rajesh or Sugandhi, are you able to hear me?
Your voice audible. Ranjit bro voice only not audible.
Okay, okay.
There is a network problem. I changed the network now. Hold on. Is this fine now?
Yes, Ranjit. Yes, Ranjit.
Okay. Yeah. So except use case 19, except use case 19, all other use cases are independent to the record page. You can implement in app page independently. You got my point? Because
that is to create record only, right?
Yeah, create record. So you need not put in record page. No, it's independent to record any specific record. Clear? Huh?
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, then I will try to do that in LDS. Actually, put it, applied in the case record page only, but didn't try for LDS thing. I thought this LDS itself only for the relevant objects. Relevant objects only we will be able to create and build it. Sorry, view.
No, shouldn't be like this. No, see.
So all our
Let's
examples what we
clarify.
tried.
Okay, let's clarify a doubt today, all of you. Whatever exercise, anything, any doubt, anything, you get clarified now. I'm going to walk through a trailhead module for you today. Okay, so trailhead you'll get a lot of things in trailhead because the product developer, the product team, is the one working behind the trailhead. So you get to know every element that performance wise. You will see all the compatible elements, LDS, SLDS, everything from the trailhead because that's being developed by product team, right? So try to understand the trailhead modules, either projects or super badges. You'll get a lot of things from the trailhead. I'll walk through a few things. Back to your question, record what component you can use to create a new record without Apex? It can be a record form, record edit form, or record form. Any of the base component you can use, record form or record edit form you can use to create a record without Apex. When you will go for record form? When you will go for record form? A question, kind of interview question, right? When you will go for record form? When you will go for record view form? Question to you, team. Anyone can answer?
The layout, right? That can be standard Salesforce layout for record view form. For record form, we can customize, I think.
No, it's vice versa. Record
Vice
form,
versa.
you'll get only standard look and feel. Record edit form or view form, you can render the UI in custom look and feel. Custom layout you can implement. So don't be very vague in answering the questions. Try to recollect and give very strong answer. Custom layout. We go for record edit form with the help of record lightning input field. Record view form field will refer each individual field through the API name with help of attribute field name, isn't it? So in other methods, you can also use wire adapter. Wire adapter, wiring with the property or wiring with the function. The last one, isn't it? So
wire with property, we did it wire with function, right? Wire with property in the sense what we did it in the wire adapter, I mean wiring earlier from Apex method, right? A similar way, correct?
I'll show you. Wait. That is different. Call Apex, you are confusing with call Apex. We're not talking about call Apex. We're talking about LDS.
LDS wire adapter, Ranjit. So for wire adapter property and function, we did one example. For property, we didn't do any example, right? So
no, I walked through the example. Instead, I copied. No, I walked through it. I wanted you to try. So hold on, I will show that example.
Okay.
So UI record API module. We are okay. This is different. Wiring. Yeah. So this example. This example, it's with a property, isn't it? We don't use Apex class here. Are you able to see any Apex class here? Are you seeing? Are you able to locate any Apex class? No, right? So record UI record API. So this is your LDS service, isn't it? It's an LDS service. So Lightning UI record API with help of wire, you wiring with a property, isn't it? And this is what we walked through yesterday. And if this can also be a function, hope you remember, right? Clear? Are you clear? So note down this URL, okay? I'll send in what chat message. Note down this UI URL.
Sure.
Bookmark it. Yeah. Okay. So if you see here, when you create a record, okay, when you create a record, you are not specifying any record ID here. The attribute record ID you can ignore. That record that needs to be specified only if you are editing the record, only if you are viewing the record, not for creating the record. So creating the record, you will avoid record ID attribute. Whereas here, we need a record ID attribute in case if you are going to edit any record, isn't it? So this form is specific to record page, individual specific record page, record ID. So this you have to place it in right object. Example here, it needs to be placed in contact object. Okay, but this is can be an independent to record page. So this is all about creating the record. That's all. Clear? So you just avoid record ID, and then you'll use input field if it is record edit form. If it is record form, again the same constraint is applicable. You will not refer record ID. You will ignore it. Okay, and it can be independent. That's it. You can use record form also to create a record. So this example, this will this can be individual page, app page, or anything, anywhere you can implement this, because you don't find record ID, right? So this to create a record, right? So we know how to take the schema references, and so you have to practice certain examples, predefined examples, so that you'll get an idea about. Of course, the documentation is all time available, right? You should know only the basics. What is the importance of schema reference? How many different ways you can use LDS service, right? Base components: record form, record edit form, record view form, or wire adapters. The LDS service module like lightning/UI record API, isn't it? So that can be wired with the property or function, that you should know. And you should know the how you can pass the parameter, right? What type of element you will refer from this module. Get record, which record you are referring by passing this particular record ID, and how we are specifying the field. Yesterday we have seen, right, how to refer the fields, multiple fields in our example. So I referred a name, a phone number, then you pass that as one of the argument next to the object name. So object name again a schema reference. In this example I already uploaded, right? Multiple field reference is not given in the book, but we tried yesterday. We were able to get answer, right? So you just go through it, okay? We'll talk about lifecyclehook probably tomorrow, and we'll have to talk about lightning message channel. You heard about lightning message channel? You know the purpose of lightning message channel? That also will be covered. Then we will work on a project work. I will do the step-by-step coding, to develop a simple project. I'll add some complexity into the project task also. Then you will be assigned with the project work. So you'll have to complete and present it neatly with a detailed explanation of your approach. You have to follow best practices, everything. Then you have to explain, present it. Okay. So that's the idea. So let me.
Ranjit, I have one doubt.
Go ahead.
for that wire adapter property. Can I share my screen?
Good, yeah. Sugandhi, you don't have doubt. Rajeshwar, if you have any doubt.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, good.
Okay, Ranjit. So here, this is the one I tried yesterday for that function, wire adapter function for opportunity object. I have got the thing from schema. Okay. And as like the example what we did for wire adapter record creation. So here I'm copying the opportunity name from handle change and applying it in the field
Your screen
values.
is Muthu, screen is yeah, screen was blank few seconds before. It's okay now. Good.
Okay. So this is the code. So when I try to run it, showing blank bad request. I was sitting for more time and couldn't find out from where this is sitting.
Go to your example.
So this is the one.
Okay, the form is appearing, right?
This form is appearing, but when I'm clicking the create opportunity, right, it is showing bad request. I also created the same value as Can I show you what error is coming?
Yeah.
So this is the existing opportunity. So maybe you should not put the data mismatch, right? So I populated correct value only. I didn't put the post message and all, just to check it in the list one then. Page name, post one, we have the same record, amount some 10%.
Hello. Muthu? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi. Yes, Muthu.
Muthu is muted, right? Hello, Muthu.
Some network issue, I think.
So Sugandhi, you didn't try, yeah, this example?
I tried in case and opportunity, but I have some issue. But
Yeah,
I will try.
Power gone.
Okay.
Let me share again. Sorry. Yes, Ranjit. So when I'm trying to insert, right? So it's showing bad request.
Probably the
Bad
data issue only. The data issue only.
Yeah, that's what
The date.
page name, same name.
Page name is not mandatory, I think, right? In opportunity,
Not
is
mandatory.
that record field? No, right? Close date is record field. Page name you can ignore it for now. That's not a problem.
Okay.
But close date you have to properly give. Okay.
That's what. That's the reason I copied from the existing one.
No, that you have to go to your layout HTML. Lightning input. What is this actually? This is for go to JS wire adapter function. Huh? Oh.
Yeah. We are on a function.
Oh, okay. Yeah. If you go to the lightning input, no, go with the date. Go with the type equal to date type. Attribute, you have to include attribute type equal to date in your HTML.
Not here.
In your HTML.
Okay. Here attributes input data.
In the input, there is an attribute you have to add. Okay, you have to add attribute type equal to date.
Oh.
It will bring the calendar widget for you.
Okay. It is correct. Huh?
Yeah, try that. Type equal to date, then you continue it.
Coming. I can ignore this stage name. Again bad.
Yeah, because date format still not compatible. Date format still not compatible.
That's why I removed this date also. Here,
Okay.
remove this.
No, you cannot remove the date because otherwise you have to hardcode the date value within your JavaScript. You have to give the current date. You have to give the current date in JavaScript. You know how to get the current date in JavaScript?
It's not date dot now. Date time now.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Today.
You have to go with the proper format. Wait.
Date not now is there.
You have to create a instance of a date method, date constructor method, which means you just try with let space a variable name.
Let space. Current date.
Equal to new space. Yeah, date open and close bracket, open and close bracket.
Okay.
Yeah. Let can need not be declared at the outside of your method. Okay, you can ignore the let. Yeah, can you put in console log
Okay, so here, what should I declare with this opportunity close date, display current date, dot now?
No, I'm just wanted you to put a console log inside the method. Copy everything, copy whole thing, the 14 line number 14.
Okay.
And put inside the handle change method. Cut everything, line number 14, and put inside the.
Okay. Just a moment. Okay, now.
I send in chat window. You can try this also. You first try this. Let's see. Oh, why you are putting all those statements inside the console log, man? I don't think so that will work. Go there, go to the console, go to your JS.
This handle not required.
No, the line number 20th. Okay, line number 20th. Yeah. Remove that current date equal to new date. Put outside the method console log. Put everything. Yeah. Copy it. The whole thing. Cut it. Yeah. Yes. Put inside the method. No. Inside the method, man. Inside the method. Handle change method. Yeah. And declare that with a let variable. Let current date. Let current date. Let space. Yes. Okay. Now you put that in current date. Yeah. Just current date. Not this. This will not record. This record for
outside. If this is planned outside, we need to put it. This is okay, right?
That is okay. Just submit it. Deploy it. You're getting no date.
Current date, right? Yes.
Yeah. Now that assign that date to that opportunity close date. You see what happens.
Okay.
Try.
But it is not displaying, maybe.
Create opportunity.
It's creating. Creating.
So the date is the issue actually. You have to work on that part. You know how to get the input date to this format. If any changes, any format changes required, that you need to find out and just try. Okay.
Okay. Another one doubt, Ranjit. Here, this one wire adapter record creation one. Okay. So for this one, I tried it with applying it in the account record page only. So this is the enter name, handle name change, handle change name. I just tried with different handle method. Okay. And handle click. And if you go here, as like our example only I tried for account object. Okay. So when I try this, so where adapter record creation, right? So it is populating the name also with the phone number. So here I have applied name, right? When I try to save account, like that it is coming. So little confused that part
It's
also.
all it's all you are doing like that. System is not doing. You are
Yeah, that's what I couldn't.
you are passing the yes. Just see like whether see here what you are doing in the line number 19. Line number you have to remove line number 13. Remove the comment the line number 13. Yeah,
Yeah, I did it.
and comment the line number 19.
19,
19. 19.
19, yeah, 19. So,
Yeah.
I tried
This is
this
working.
also.
This is
I tried
working
this
as
also. That's the reason I.
okay. Okay,
took-
and go to HTML and then again another check you have to do. Go to HTML.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Name and we'll change name. Yeah, I think deploy it. We'll see.
Yes, it didn't work. Where adapter record creation? I should to know where this is. DS record edit from. Which one? Enter name, phone number, create a.
Here adapter record. You select the module, no, the name will appear at the right side. You select the module.
Creation, this one. This one. Okay, let me put inspect also. I'm creating now. Account is creating, yeah. So when I'm going to this account, yesterday it was not working somewhat. I did some mistake. Okay, Ranjit,
Okay.
these two doubts I had. And like if we see here, we are getting this target dot event dot target dot value only we are getting, right? How this is assigning in the backend? For example, this is opportunity stage name, but in the respective HTML handle change, both names are handle change only, right? So first time it is taking this name and second time stage name.
No.
You're getting what I'm asking?
Getting it. So what
For
happened? What's
individual
happening?
attribute, no, it is working. I got to know, but how this is tracking, I am little confused. Even the target dot value, this is for opportunity name. The same value is for opportunity stage name also. The same value is for opportunity amount. Correct. Okay. I got to know, but how this is fetching the value from HTML to JS, little confused. Okay, I'm good. I'll stop sharing.
Okay. Anyone else having doubt? Okay, did you complete the communication between LWC component trailhead?
No, Rajit, I didn't do. Last 2 weeks was project is very hectic.
Okay,
The the trailheads I haven't worked except the first one.
I'm adding the trailhead now. Okay, see, communication between
Okay.
the lightning component. There is a trailhead. So you'll understand child to parent. You know what is child to parent communication, right? How the child to
Yes.
parent communication can happen? By creating a
Dispatch.
custom event. Yeah, exactly, custom event. So that example you can see here. Okay, and parent to child, we know it's at wire adapt at API at API, exposing the child as a public property with help of at API. And this is we need to cover this. I believe it's LMS, Lightning Message Service. Okay, so this is what we need to see in the communication part. How can you communicate between two different unrelated components, different DOM, right? DOM in the sense your document object model. So this is yeah. So this HTML is basically one particular DOM. Okay, and this is different DOM. This is a different HTML page. So how can you interact two different pages? There is no relationship. For example, if you see any record page, there is no parent-child relationship. This is a record page. Okay, so here I have this component, this component. How can you communicate between two different components? Sometimes this component, one component can be maybe from ARA, the other component may be from visualforce page, the other component may be created by LWC. Then how can you communicate? Then we'll go for LMS. Okay, so see here, you can communicate between LWC, ARA, visualforce. That we have to see. So complete this module. This one you can try. Beer tracking app. So this again, the last module alone you can ignore. The rest of things you can do. How to work with a single record. Yeah. Can you give a try? Can you give a try? Anything, everything is related to, see, this is the record API, what we have seen, no? Wired with method, error, comma, data. And if it's error, some error handling. If it is having data, then you get the, using the field value, you get refer the fields from the object and assigning to the local property, right? And then they are integrating with map, I believe. Yeah, map makers. Hold on. Yeah, there is a tag called lightning map. There is a tag called lightning map. So this displays the map automatically. This can communicate with the Google Map. You have to pass the required attribute, right? So lightning map is having an attribute called map markers. The map markers, you have to pass the necessary latitude, longitude value. Latitude, longitude value you have to pass in the form of array. To this attribute, you're going to pass latitude, longitude value, right? Because to locate any to calculate any distance, to locate any particular location, you have to pass the particular location latitude and longitude value. So that you have to pass to this attribute in the form of array. So after all, what we have to do, we have to declare this in the form of array in JS. You see, open and close bracket, square bracket, it's a way you can declare your JSON, isn't it? Array in JSON. So then it takes three parameter. Basically, location might be the important parameter. Rest of things are optional. Okay, the location would be a required parameter. So what you're going to pass in the location, you're going to pass the state, city, and country. Okay, and yeah, I hope I'm clear, right? So and again, you can also pass the latitude, longitude value directly, but you may not be able to know this value directly, right? So in that case, what they are doing, listen, map markers, the address, okay, the multiple address they are giving, array, San Francisco, this address, and the different state, this is different state, right? They're giving different addresses, and then all other things like marker type, on marker select. This is the event, right? Handling the event with help of on prefix. Okay, the event fire when a marker is selected, select a marker by clicking. So the map will appear basically. If you do this, what will happen? The map will appear. You can click on address. That can also be done. Okay, you can dynamically that will select the latitude longitude value. Can you give a try? Can you give a try and let me know? Right. So this is what they given here. Okay. So copy paste and other things to go through and see how it works for you. So that way you can complete this module. Did I given this one? Not given. So this one is it's all about working with Apex. Okay, including both. I think working with the data in the sense both Apex and LDS. They given a very simple example here. Go through it again, and this is absolutely going. Yeah, okay. It's a record form. They are creating a record here, right? And reading the record based on the record ID, dynamically referring the record ID, and wiring with a function. Wiring with a function. Don't confuse with Apex. It's a LDS service only. Wiring with a function, and what is this? Referring the module with the help of module. Okay. So create record. Then we already seen this example, right? Okay. Give a try. Then let me know if you have any issues. Okay. Can you try and let me know and mark your status here? Okay, then we'll connect tomorrow. I would cover that LMS and lifecyclehook tomorrow, right? Are you there, guys?
Sure, Anil.
Yes, yes.
Okay then. Okay then. No doubt. Then we can wind up.
Thank you.